Can you stop sugar cravings? According to the Mid-America Heart Institute, sugar is more addictive than cocaine and opioids. Did you know a high-protein breakfast can reduce sugar cravings? Inadequate protein consumption and cravings are intimately linked. Consuming a high-protein breakfast can assist with decreasing appetite, feeling fuller longer, and overcoming thoughts about sweet foods. So, what does that mean for you? Less temptations for sugar and sweets. Easier adherence to a healthy diet. More willpower with weight management. You're probably wondering how protein stops sugar cravings. Dopamine is our brain's reward chemical, and people with low dopamine levels have high cravings for sweets. But a high-protein breakfast increases dopamine levels all day, eliminating cravings. Organifi Complete Protein contains 3 healthy plant proteins. Quinoa protein is packed with flavonoids and antioxidants. Pumpkin seed protein, which is rich in magnesium, iron, amino acids, and fiber. And pea protein, which is a complete protein high in lysine with natural BCAAs. With Organifi Complete Protein, you can feel satisfied, free from cravings, and feel fuller longer. Organifi Complete Protein is USDA organic, non-GMO, and has only 2 grams of sugar. Kill cravings with Complete Protein. Click here to buy now.